Hello kids, today we'll learn two words for each letter A to M. Kids, are you ready? Let's start. A for ant, A-N-T, ant. X, A-X-E, X. B for bat, B-A-T, bat. B-A-G, bag. C for cat, C-A-T, cat. Cup, C-U-P, cup. D for dog, D-O-G, dog. Den, D-E-N, den. E for egg, E-G-G, egg. E-Y-E, eye. F for fan, F-A-N, fan. Fig, F-I-G, fig. Z for gun, G-U-N, gun. Get, G-E-T, get. H for hen, H-E-N, hen. Hut, H-U-T, hut. I for ink, I-N-K, ink. Ice, I-C-E, ice. J for jug, J-U-G, jug. Jet, J-E-T, jet. K for key, K-E-Y, key. Kit, K-I-T, kit. L for log, L-O-G, log. Lid, L-I-D, lid. M for mat, M-A-T, mat. Man, M-A-N, man. Well done kids, thank you for watching.